If you've been trying to install Lutris on the latest version of Ubuntu using the old PPA, you've probably run into a 404 not found error. That's because the old PPA is no longer the recommended way to install Lutris. In this video, I'm going to show you two easy ways to install Lutris on Ubuntu 26.04. Before we begin, make sure your system is up to date. So what is Lutris? Lutris is a free and open source gaming platform for Linux that helps you install and manage games from different sources, including Steam Epic Games Store, Battle.net, EA App, retro emulators, and many standalone Windows games using Wine. Instead of configuring everything manually, Lutris automates much of the setup process, making Linux gaming much easier. Let us look at method 1, installing Lutris using the official Debian package. Open your web browser and visit the official Lutris GitHub releases page. Download the latest .deb package. You'll notice that the download is surprisingly small, less than 2 megabytes. That's completely normal. The Debian package mainly contains the Lutris application itself. During installation, Ubuntu downloads the additional packages and dependencies it needs. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Just right-click, then click on Open Terminal. Now list the files. You should see the Lutris Debian package. To install it, run this command. Using apt instead of dpkg ensures that Ubuntu automatically finds and installs any missing Python and library files. Once the installation finishes, open your Applications menu and search for Lutris. Launch it. And that's it. You now have a native Ubuntu installation of Lutris. Now let us look at method 2, installing Lutris using flatpak. Some people prefer installing applications using flatpak because applications are packaged with most of their required libraries. This can reduce dependency conflicts and makes installing applications across different Linux distributions much easier. Now add the official flathub repository to your system. Now install Lutris. Flatpak will now download Lutris together with all the runtime components it requires. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few minutes because Flatpak downloads more data than the native Debian package. Once the installation is complete, open your Applications menu and launch Lutris. Everything should now be working correctly. So which installation method should you use? If you want the smallest installation that integrates directly with Ubuntu, I recommend using the official Debian package. It's lightweight, fast, and works well for most users. If you prefer sandboxed applications or want the same installation method across different Linux distributions, then the Flatpak version is an excellent choice. Both methods are officially supported and both work great. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Linux tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.